Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to make some hair dye out of Kool-Aid. My cat Benny is going to help us today. Alright, so basically what you want to do is you want to have a container that you don't mind getting messy. What I'll demonstrate right now is the, and of course you want to have a towel down so you don't get it on anything because it does stain. So I'm just going to use this lid here and I'm just going to demonstrate with some, this is the black Kool-Aid. You just want to make sure you wear some, I'm going to have to set the camera down just for a second. Right, there you go. Wear clothes that you don't mind if they get stained. Okay. So now what you're going to do is just put a little bit of the powder in there. And then you want to have a cup of water. Or access the water. I just have a little cup here. Okay. And then if you want a measuring spoon, you can take a little bit, just a little tiny drop of water and add it there. I was using Tupperware, but I ran out of containers. Okay, and then what you can do too is you can take some conditioner and you can add that into the mixture. First, I'm going to mix it, and you want to make sure that it's, you know, like a paste and it isn't liquidy. I already have mine mixed up for what I'm going to add into my hair, so that's what I'm just demonstrating it. This was a blue that I did earlier. It turned out really nice, turquoise blue. Okay. So what you want to do is just add in some conditioner. And then you want to add more Kool-Aid in there. And just a little dash of water. Not much. And then you keep mixing this until you get a nice smooth mixture. And then you can add it to your hair extensions or to your hair. Okay, so obviously I would mix that a little bit more until it got smoother. I'm just going to show you some samples of what I already did. I was trying to do a rainbow in my hair. There's some orange that I mixed up. There you go. And here is some yellow. Okay, and right now what I'm going to do is, oh, isn't Benny cute? He's a little love muffin. He needs a little pet. Oh. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the camera back to show you how we can add the hair dye. Okay. Alright, so what you're going to do is, you can see I already put in several applications because I'm trying to do a rainbow. and I'm gonna let everybody know how it turns out, and I'll show you an update. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is take a strand. I'm on the last stage. And I need the aluminum foil and also the purple. It's supposed to be violet, but I just had no way of making it light enough. So it's just going to be purple. Although I do stress that you wear gloves if you don't want to get stains all over your hands. So I'm going to put some gloves on. I had on earlier. Okay, so this is a nice cheap way to have some fun with your kids or teenagers. Alrighty, so I'm just going to apply it. If you have darker hair, obviously you want to apply more. And when you go to wash this, I'm going to leave this in all night long. I'm going to work anyway. But when you do rinse it out, you don't want to use cold or warm water. You want to use only cold water. Because otherwise it'll just wash out completely. You can also just do the ends of your hair if you like that look. I was just trying to do a rainbow effect. Great in a row. It smells really good, which you can't say that for most hair dye. But it's not gonna be a permanent thing, obviously. Alright, so once you feel like you have, I'm gonna put a lot on just because my hair isn't blonde. So I want to apply a lot. It's a light brown, but I just really want to make sure it turns out good. Because I don't feel like doing this all over again. Okay. So once you feel like you've really thoroughly gotten enough on there, then I ran out of tin foil, but you can use, like, obviously a nice big piece of tin foil to secure it with. I kind of only have a little tiny little pieces left, but I'm trying to make the best of it. So I'm just gonna wrap it up nice and